Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the environment you want is available. Once done, open the notebook you will change. First, verify the environment has ipykernel installed so Jupyter can see it. If it's missing, run pip install ipykernel or conda install ipykernel in that environment. Then register the kernel with python m ipykernel install username myenv display name python myenv. This step creates a selectable kernel entry, so make sure the display name is clear for selection. Now go to the kernel menu and choose Change Kernel, then pick the display name you registered. This swaps the interpreter for the running notebook. Once selected, restart the kernel to load the new environment cleanly and run a quick cell, import sys, print sys, executable to confirm the path. Also run piplist or import pkg resources, print pkg resources. Get distribution numpy. Version to ensure packages match. If packages differ, install them into the target environment and restart again to reflect changes. Finish by saving the notebook and running critical cells to confirm everything functions under the new kernel. This ensures notebooks reproduce results. If the kernel does not appear, activate the target environment and rerun python m ipykernel install username myenv display name python myenv, and then refresh the Jupyter page. One key troubleshooting tip. If imports fail, check sys, executable, and Jupyter server logs for path or permission errors. Fixing the environment path or reinstalling packages usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.